Hi, my name is James Mooney. I'm 29 years old. I've been playing drums since I was about 12. I am the drummer for Downside Up. We are a 90s and 2000s tribute band out of Hernando County in Brooksville, Florida. My stick of choice is the Collision 5As. Some things I like about these sticks, a few things, is the overall weight and feel. It feels really good in your hand. I typically play a lighter stick, but these sticks really fit the bill as far as the weight. Some other things that I like too is the length. It's a little bit longer than a traditional 5A from other companies, which I like. And the durability. The durability has proven that it's one of the toughest sticks that I've ever used. I'm kind of a heavy hitter, but these haven't cracked or broke or anything on me yet, so really happy about that. The song that I'm gonna play for you is a song called Even Flow by Pearl Jam. Hope you enjoy.